ZANU-PF is reportedly contemplating constitutional amendments that would, among other changes, eliminate the direct election of the president and instead adopt a system where parliament elects the president, similar to South Africa's approach. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. In South Africa, during a general election, voters choose a political party rather than an individual candidate. Investigative journalist Honai Chinono reported that a senior government official informed him that the ZANU-PF-led government is contemplating replacing the first-past-the-post system with a proportional representation approach for electing the president. Chinono said ZANU-PF intends to introduce constitutional changes because it has recognized that its presidential candidates faced challenges against the opposition in the past 6 elections. This is today's news about ZANU-PF considering electoral reforms to remove direct election of the president. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.